Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered Cirrus Link Solution MQTT module installation in Ignition SCADA. So if you go to Ignition SCADA gateway homepage and then you can go to config section, you can see MQTT transmission, MQTT engine, MQTT distributor, and we have one more module installed which was MQTT recorder, but I have removed that module because I'm not going to use it. So in this video, we are going to see what is MQTT Distributor module. And if you go to Cirrus Link website, you can find MQTT Distributor and Distributor Plus. So you can see here the MQTT Distributor module is an MQTT server. So MQTT Distributor module is nothing but a MQTT broker inbuilt inside the Ignition SCADA. So you can use this module as a broker and you can publish your data to this broker, and this data can be available inside your Ignition SCADA. Okay, so in this video we are only going to see how we can enable this module, MQTT distributor module, and how we are going to connect with it. Okay, so we can go to our Ignition SCADA gateway page and then you can see MQTT distributor. Now we can go to setting, and here we have the setting of that MQTT distributor module. Now you can see enable MQTT server. So if it is not enabled, then you cannot access this broker, or your edge device cannot publish data to this broker, or we can say MQTT server. Okay, and the port number is 1883 for non-TLS, and for TLS it is 8883, but it is disabled now. Okay, so we are going to save these changes, and now I want to connect to this MQTT server, or we can say MQTT broker. So here I have MQTT Explorer software. So we are going to create a new connection. So it is Ignition, and my host is 127.0.0.1 because my Ignition SCADA is running on my local host. So that is why I am putting here 127.0.0.1 and the port number is 1883. So if I click connect, I'll get connection refused, not authorized, because you can see users here. So only this user can connect to that broker. Okay, so I have a username admin and the password is password. So here I have to specify admin and then password to connect with that broker. So if I press connect, you can see I am connected to this broker. Okay, now if you don't want to enter a password and without password you want to connect with this Ignition MQTT server or Ignition MQTT broker, or we can say MQTT distributor module, then we have to go to MQTT distributor and then setting. Again you will find the same page, and here you have to click on the show advanced properties, and here you can see allow anonymous MQTT connection. So it is disabled. Okay, so it is disabled. That is why we must have to enter the username and password to connect with this broker. If I enable this and allow anonymous connection, then I don't have to enter username and password to connect with this broker. So let me go to my MQTT Explorer and we will disconnect from it. Okay, now if I enable this and if I save changes, okay, now it will allow me to connect with this broker or MQTT server without username and password. Okay, so if I open this and if I remove the connection, if I create a new connection, so it is my Ignition connection, host ID is 127.0.0.1, port number is 1883. Now I am not going to put username and password here. I just simply press on connect. So you can see I am connected. Now if someone disable this option, okay, then we are automatically get disconnected from this connection. So this is how you can enable and disable anonymous MQTT connection for your MQTT distributor module in Ignition. Now if you want to change the user password or you want to create a new user, then you can create a new user from here. And if you want to change the password, then you can go to your user edit button. Okay, now tick this checkbox and now you can type your password. So I want to type admin again and admin again. So my username is also admin and my password is also admin. So let me save the changes. Okay, don't update. Now I go to here, I'll press connect. It won't let me connect, so I have to enter the username admin and my password is again admin. And let's try to connect. So I am able to connect. Now we can also publish some topic and values from here. So topic, and this is this topic, and value is 1, and we can publish. Okay, so as you can see, we have got the result here. Now we can open a new MQTT Explorer. So MQTT Explorer. So for this broker, for this MQTT Distributor broker, which is our MQTT server, this one is the first client, and we are going to create a second client. Okay, so we will delete it, and we will create a new connection, which is Ignition second 127.0.0.1, username admin, password admin, and we can go to advanced and we can change this client ID, and we can go back and we will connect. Okay, so all of my client, I have 2 client which is connected to the central MQTT broker, which is inside the Ignition. So if I publish some topic from here, and if I change the value to 2 and publish, you can see I am getting value here. And if I publish something from this client, then I'll also get it from here. Okay, so this is how you can use MQTT Distributor module, which is an MQTT server or MQTT broker coming with Ignition SCADA. Okay, so if you have any doubt in MQTT Distributor module, you can ping me on the Telegram. You can also send an email, or you can comment on this video, or you can directly ask me on the Telegram as well. So this is how you can use MQTT Distributor module. In the upcoming videos, we are going to see how to use MQTT Engine module and how to use MQTT Transmission module. Okay, so see you in the next video. I hope everything is clear in this video. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you know where to ask. So goodbye.